Hi there, students. Guff, an uncountable noun, or also a verb, but the verb's a different meaning. Okay, guff is a load of nonsense. Speech or writing that just doesn't make sense. It's just a load of hogwash. It's a load of bunk. It's a load of rubbish. So stop talking such guff. Foolish ideas, stupid ideas, things that just don't make sense. Stop talking all this guff. You read the newspapers nowadays, and most of what they say is just pure guff. Yeah, there's nothing true. It's nonsense. It's humbug. There's nothing sane within it. Yeah, it's just a load of guff, a load of rubbish. Guff can also mean verbal abuse. So don't take any guff from him. Yeah. If you say what somebody's written or what somebody's said, if you say it's guff, it's just a load of nonsense. It's a load of rubbish. It doesn't make any sense. Now, most of the dictionaries leave out the other meaning of guff. To guff as a verb means to fart, to emit gas from your backside. It's a very informal word as well, but to me as a Brit, it's a piece of British slang meaning to give off gas. But guff, a load of hogwash, a load of bunkum, a load of drivel, yeah, a load of rot, a load of claptrap. It's just pure garbage. It's pure bilge, piffle, twaddle, balderdash, blather, yeah. But guff, yeah, stop talking all that guff. Okay, this book is full of all sorts of emotional guff. And there's nothing meaningful in it at all. Yeah, so don't take any guff from people like this. Don't listen to all their guff about being careful with your use of their resources, because they're not careful at all. So on the first day of term, we always get the same old guff from the headmaster, talking blah, 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 blah. He's talking on and on about it. Yeah, but guff, a load of rubbish, something that, well, it's just pure nonsense. And then to guff, to pass wind. So, formality. This is a load of guff. For informality, he guffed, he passed wind. 2.5 informality, 2 informality, very informal. So guff meaning rubbish is informal, and as a verb to pass wind is very, very informal. As to the origin, I'm not sure. I would be grateful for any ideas on the origin of this. There's a 19th century Scottish word meaning guff, meaning an unpleasant smell, so maybe that's the idea of past wind. But anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Guff.